Hello students, welcome back computer classes of standard 12. Let's continue our next topic, text area element of chapter number 1. Text area element. The text area element allows multi-line text input. The text area element is often used in a form to collect user inputs like comment, review, report or long description of product. A text area can hold an unlimited number of characters and text renders in a fixed width of font, usually Courier. The size of a text area element can be specified using rows and calls attribute. Calls means columns. The rows attribute is used to set the number of rows of text that will be visible without scrolling up or down. The calls attribute is used to set the number of columns of text that will be visible without scrolling right or left. Let's take one example which shows how to insert text area. Write main text HTML head, title and body. Then write any text example, comment, description which you want to show in output. Then use break tag. After that in text area tag you have to write attributes of row, calls and name. Name suggests the name of text area which is sent to the server. Then any text which you want to show inside the text area box. At last, close all the text which you have opened. Next element is a select and option element. The select element is used to create a drop-down list or menu in a form. A select list in a form element that allows the user to select one or more options from a range of options. The option element is used to specify the value that are to be displayed in the menu. The tag select and closing select tag is used to create a drop-down menu. The tag option and closing option tag is used to create the element within the menu. Select lists are created using a combination of the HTML select and option tags. Examples of select and option element are name of the cities, date of birth, colors, countries, web browsers, name. It means where one or more options are there, select an option element is used. In this example, write the name of element in select name. In option value, you have to write options one by one. Using options selected, it means a default selection is there in drop-down menu when the form will open for registration. Look at this image of registration form. Name, last name, gender, hobby are input elements. Address is text area element. City of pin code is select and option element. Submit and reset buttons are input elements. Thank you students. I hope you have understood this topic.